This is the Fuel Gripper AT, and it costs $4,220. And I'm about to tell you why it costs so much, because you're probably like, for all of this, right? Like this is $4,000. There's like barely any rubber there. So here's the deal. Fuel Gripper AT, like I said, this is a 305/30 R28. So that's first where the price point comes from, because basically nobody is making tires for 28s, and especially in this size. If you convert the 305/30 R28 into standard sizing, what you're gonna see is that the tire is 35.2 inches tall by about 12 inches wide. So why is that important? Why is it a big deal? Why is nobody else making these? Your other options, if you don't go with Fuel, are very, I'm just gonna say, like your typical off-brand, haven't heard of them, tires, and you don't get them this wide. You can get them for 28s, but they're gonna be pretty much car tires. This is like the first truck tire that you can get this small of a sidewall and still have an all-terrain tread pattern. So your other options, if you're looking for tires for 28s, is to step up to like 40s or 42s if you want to get into those more name brand tires that you've seen before. Sweet Harley, bro. If you look at the actual tire design here, you can see in typical Fuel fashion, they put the Fuel F in the center portion of their tread. They're calling this an all-terrain tread. You can see it's pretty minimal as far as like shoulder blocks go, not super aggressive, but that's probably a good thing, because if you're running 28/14s that you're gonna stretch these things on, you're not gonna be running it off-road anyway. I can almost guarantee you that. And if you are, please send us a video, because we'd love to see it. Center section, tighter together, typical Fuel F, like I mentioned before. So you should be able to actually get some decent mileage out of these, although, kind of like I said, if you're putting these on a show truck, you're probably not putting a ton of miles on them anyways. But it's a big deal. Wanted to bring it to you, wanted to show it to you, because there's not a ton of video out there on this tire, and it's going to be a huge success for Fuel, because they are the first people to basically make this size for the truck guys out there that want to run 28s, they want to run wide wheels, 14, 12 inches wide, but they don't have tires for them. So now you have it. So if you guys have these tires, if you've seen them, if you've driven on them, let us know in the comments below what your experience has been. Or if you want to pick up a set, because you've got the ridiculous 28-inch wheels, head to CustomAutoSets.com. We'll get you all taken care of. Mounted, balanced, ship free in the lower 48 states. That's a typical spiel. Peace.